welcome back to What's in a Name. Today's video is about a tea that is very uncommon and unheard of. It was Mahashivratri a few days ago, and one of the places that is famous for celebrating Shivratri is Varanasi, Banaras or Kashi. Of all the things Varanasi is famous for, one of the lesser known recipes to people who have not visited Varanasi is Hajmola chai. Hajmola chai is a version of lemon tea. It is available at chai addas or addis as they call it there. Some of the stalls also add ingredients like jeera, elaichi, long, adrak, mint to bring a twist to the flavor of Hajmola chai, but today we'll be making the basic version of it.
You'll be needing water, tea, sugar, black pepper powder, bhuna pesa jeera, roasted and grounded cumin seed. Then you need ajwain or carom seeds, black salt, of course hajmola, lemon and mint. You'll not be needing this much of mint. Mint leaves are only for garnishing. First, let's start with hajmola. Here I am making 2 cups of tea, so all the ingredients are as per 2 cups of tea. For 2 cups of tea, we need 4 hajmola pills. We need our hajmola in crushed or ground form, so that is what we'll be doing next. After our hajmola is powdered, we'll start adding the other ingredients. First, black pepper. Here I am taking 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Again, please note this is for 2 cups of hajmola chai. The next ingredient is roasted and powdered cumin seed, also known as bhuna pesa jeera. We need half teaspoon of it. Then comes kala namak or black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of it. We start by boiling water. The next steps are basic steps which you would follow for making any kind of lemon tea. We add our tea in it. Then some sugar. I am adding 3 teaspoons. And then we wait for it to boil. If you don't like sugar, you can add honey at the end. The tea will taste tangy and sweet at the same time. Next, we'll add ajwain or carom seeds. These are 1/4 teaspoon. The masala powder of hajmola and other spices goes in next. As it is a version of lemon tea, we will require lemon, so we need half lemon for this. And don't boil after adding lemon because the mixture will turn bitter. So add lemon at the end. After that, turn off the heat. It is at this point that you would add honey if you're going for honey instead of sugar. Shake the tea well and strain it. If you want, you can garnish it with mint leaves. This is an optional step and you can omit it. Your tea is now ready to be served. If you're planning to go to Assi Ghati in Varanasi, do try this tea out.
Please note, Hajmola is a digestive pill, and I would recommend to have Hajmola chai as a digestive beverage after a very heavy meal. It is to be served piping hot. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again later. Bye.